Every company right now has a predictive analytics initiative, but where is the data coming from and how can you ensure that it's good data, that it's relevant data, and that you can build your analytics on top of this. This is the homework that has to be done beforehand, and this is a crucial role that MES plays. Having access to good quality data is absolutely crucial to make data-driven business decisions. This drives the strategy of the company because it's based on what's actually going on the shop floor and in other parts of your business, and not just based on assumptions. This, done with a combination of an MES and an IoT data platform, is an optimal solution to be able to reach these analytics goals, big data goals, or any initiatives that you have surrounding these subjects. One, for example, that is really big right now is predictive quality. How can I predict before something happens if I'm going to have a quality issue? When you have that real data from your MES coupled with an IoT data platform, this gives you the opportunity to reach that goal. Having a shop floor system, whether it's an MES or an IoT data platform, is all well and good, but if there is no validation strategy, if there's no secure validation, then these systems are rendered pretty much useless. You are not allowed to use these systems without them being validated, and the tricky part is, back in the day, validations could take just as long as the implementation itself. That's unacceptable. We can't have that. You need to choose a partner that has a validation strategy that's automated, that gets you through this process quick and simply.